writers, welcome to the transition words revising writing rotation area. If you look to the transition word poster next to this video, if you click on that, that is a link to a video to remind you about the importance of transition words, what paragraphs look like without them, and what they look like or how they read when they are added to. So it gives you a nice reminder of why transition words are important. They're the glue that holds all of our thoughts and facts together. Transition words are used in informational writing, and they're also used in fiction writing. Right now, we're working on informational. So think about, look at your writing, watch the video, and then in the last step, I want you to go back to your writing, and I want you to see if there are any places where you can add transition words. Remember, those are going to glue your thoughts together. Also think about a bridge that's connecting your thoughts and ideas and information. All right, have fun at this rotation.